Okay, today we're going to be replacing a storm door lock assembly. Okay, so here's the storm door lock in question. We're replacing it today because when we purchased this house, it did not come with a key for this lock. And to replace the entire storm door or the entire lock and handle assembly is expensive. This one is by Anderson. However, instead of buying an Anderson product, we're buying an aftermarket product. This one here we bought on Amazon for $20. Make sure you measure everything to make sure it's going to fit your door if you're going to do this yourself. So here's what came with the package. 3 keys that are keyed alike. A lock assembly. It's fairly straightforward to replace this. So we'll unlock and open the door from the inside. And there's simply one screw right here that you unscrew, and the entire lock mechanism will pull out of the door itself. Once you get that unscrewed, the old lock mechanism slides out. Then you slide the new mechanism in. Might have to wiggle it a little bit. Then you simply reinstall that screw on the side of the door to secure it in place.
Woo!
Now let's go ahead and try the key. Make sure it locks and unlocks. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.